Hello guys and welcome back to Nomad's Projects. I am really excited to bring you this brand spanking new video. Today we are making a DIY table jigsaw as I don't have a bandsaw yet. As always, give a thumbs up if you like the video, give a thumbs down if you don't. If you leave a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you on that. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll be honest, there are still a few kinks with this setup. I need to fill the rip-outs on the sides of the blade with some wood filler. I've already ordered some longer saw blades that I hope will make the saw more useful. And we will be making a blade support in a future video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys in the next one.
Oh yeah.